Today, we're looking at how to use a viral meme to promote your products. This is All Bar One. They've got bars all over the country, and they use Instagram very much as a way of celebrating their food, their drinks, their teams, and of course, their customers. And they use quite a lot of user-generated content. But this one I absolutely love. So they have used a viral event, if you like, or a viral meme, which is absolutely massive. Everyone has used this. Like literally, I've seen personal trainers use it. I've seen bakers use it, and everyone in between. All Bar One are no different. This is a very famous one of one of the lovely Kardashians, Kourtney Kardashian, and this is her holding up a sign. And she's obviously got her pregnant belly there, looking amazing. And she's holding up a sign, and basically this went viral really, really quickly. It was a big image, and it's to her partner Travis. And what people have been doing is they have been superimposing another signpost, if you like, over the original sign. So here, what they've done is get me a Mackie bowl ASAP. And what they've done is they've literally superimposed it over the original one. And then they said, get the lady what she wants. All Bar One, Mackie bowl, Kourtney Kardashian, Travis Barker. So this got them really good engagement and some likes in comparison to some of their other ones. It's just a little bit different. They kind of jumped on the bandwagon, I guess, of what quite a lot of the other businesses have done. And I like it because basically what they're doing is they're promoting the fact that they sell Mackie bowls. And they're doing it in a way that's, inventive. It's keeping up with the current trends, and it's something that quite a lot of the other businesses have done. It kind of makes people both laugh, and it gets their attention.